Hello folks, it's Wendy with Newburgh Now, and we're live here at Glenburnie Park. We're taking a little nature break on Friday afternoon. I hope you had a great week, and what are you doing this afternoon? I know a lot of you are working, and hopefully you're not working the entire weekend. It's Father's Day weekend. We wish all dads out there a happy Father's Day. And tell us what you're doing. Are you watching this? What are you up to this weekend? Any comments? Let's see. I'm trying to remember what's going on. I know there's an ALS benefit. I think it's a pig picking at the garage, which is a bar, and I'm pretty sure they'll have food trucks in that all weekend. What else? Fruitopia, Brewery 99, tap that. I don't want to start listing places because I'm going to forget somebody, and I don't want to do that, so I'm going to stop there. What else is going on? It's Juneteenth celebration. There's a bunch of different events. The big parade and festival is tomorrow in the 5 Points area. What else is going on? You can come to the parks. I know Glenburnie Park has a disc, what's it called? Craven chains and fairway golf. It's disc golf, and they have different tournaments, and there's a disc golf net down there, if you could see it. Not sure if you can see that. It's just a gorgeous day. It's nice not to see it raining again. Touch wood. Are you watching? Okay, what else is going on? Stuff the truck with Habitat for Humanity. What are you doing this weekend, folks? Is anyone watching? If you are, comment below. Now, Newburgh Now has a community calendar. If you have a public event, we would be happy to publish it and so people will know what's going on, and hopefully they'll come out to support your efforts. So check out the community calendar if you're looking for something to do this weekend. Well, it's pretty much any time, but and no comments. Okay. Well, we hope you have a wonderful weekend, no matter what you do, and happy Father's Day to everyone. Okay, bye-bye.